So today on Redneck Rescue, we're still in our subdivision. It's day 2. We've had a second one of our residents slide off the road. It was a slick one, got the best of them. This one's actually teetering off the edge, so it's going to be a fun one. Let's go check it out. This part I don't want to mess up and end up where he is.
This driveway is slick. We've got studded snows and run them at a low air pressure.
Go Miranda.
We're going to use some of this fresh snow as part of our anchor.
So this is our scene. We got a Triton that slid off the edge. As you can see, it's most of the way off the road. The embankment runs about here. So the front tire's about 3 foot off. It's holding on to the snow of this side.
And it's keeping it from falling off the edge and rolling over. Good thing it stopped where it did. Now we can just pull it up and out.
So our plan is we got a big pine tree behind us. We're gonna anchor the back of Miranda so that it can't come forward. And then we're gonna run 2 winches forward, one to the rear, one to the front, and pull it right up and out. No big deal. So we got the 10-foot tree saver around this great big pine, set up all the way down there to Miranda.
Now we'll just push that pile of snow forward and tension up that anchor strap.
It might lift off the ground, but it'll be fine.
So for anchor points on this one, we've got the Rhino receiver shackle in the rear. We're going to start off to the frame underneath the running board and then move to the rim after we get up on the road.
Go through and operate both winches little by little and pull it right up and out.
One of the tools we made is a female receiver to a shackle so you can hook the winch to a line. By operating each winch one at a time, we're holding this thing from sliding off the bank and also pulling each side up little by little until it comes right up on the road.
Just like that.
Right now I have the owner playing flagger behind me and stopping traffic because we have winch lines run across the road that are sometimes hard to see. Now that the truck is coming up on the road, the angle has changed, and the winch line is about to push on that running board. So we're going to go ahead and move the anchor over to the rim where we have a soft shackle. We tried to do an axle strap, but the holes on the rim were too small. The rim is also sharp, so that's why we started with the frame. And we don't like to pull from suspension if you don't have to.
Got it drug right back up on the road.
I think so.
Moving in a positive direction.
You might even go backwards 3 feet first to get off the slide path.
Up and out. Big shout out to our sponsor, Rhino USA. They were holding up our whole world today. We had the 10-foot tree saver up there with a whole bunch of Rhino 40,000 pound straps, soft shackles. Go into the description below, find a link to their website, and use Rescue 10 to get a discount. So we went ahead and backed up to get the strap unhooked that we had tied to the tree. You can see our nice little snow anchor here. And then this was our scene. This road is slick. This is where we slid off the edge, ended up off the edge of the bank, but we winched it right up and out.
If you enjoyed today's episode of Redneck Rescue, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. We got other rescues coming down the line. Have fun out there.